Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. All our cuties on my channel and an extra welcome to 18, as I call myself an 18er. Hi, how are we? Oh my goodness, I still have not landed after Simula at Waka's EP release. So it's been a lot of listening to all their songs on Saturday, Sunday, and today being Monday, the 28th of April. So if you're new here, I've got other priorities and now it's mama's time, okay? When everything's settled, you know, the laundry, baby girl sleeping, stuff is ready for tomorrow being Tuesday. So yes, and to be respectful for those that are seeing moi for the first time, I do actually have an introduction video as to who I am and what my vision is on my channel. So go please check this video out, an introduction video. And yes, welcome. I just love SB19. They make me feel happy and that's why we're here. And if you are new, again, I do have an SB19 playlist and I've been in baby 18 for a little bit over a month now. Excuse the chewing gum. I've just got like an annoying dry cough. Obviously, when I want to record, it's just, I don't know. So hope we are all well. And I just have to say thank you again, everyone that's giving me information and knowledge about SB19. And there's a lot of content I want to react to, but this girl's got a full-time job. So as you can see on the thumbnail, we are going to be reacting to SB19 with News 5 interview, which was on the April the 25th. And a big shout out to Soleil. I hope I'm I'm pronouncing that correctly. She has created this interview with English subtitles. Because if you're new here, yes, I'm half Filipina, half Swedish and grew up in Australia. Do I know any Tagalog? No. I know baho, I know gago, I know balot. See, do you hear how little Tagalog I know? But SB19 and 18 are going to teach me Tagalog, okay? I need to know that. Okay, we're just going to go with this, and I got more videos that I want to react to before it's shower time and Betty Bye time. Shower time, editing these videos, and then Betty Bye time. Let's get into it. There's so many things I want to say to you guys, but this video will be like at least an hour short. So many things I want to discuss with you guys about SB19, but let's get into it, and then we'll be pausing when I need to. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, congratulations.
Kanina lang, sabay-sabay kayo nag-release ng mga pasabog ninyo. Siyempre, unang-unang tanong ko muna
News
sa
5, is
inyo,
that what it called? No
bakit
idea.
simula at wakas yung pinakahuli nyo sa trilogy?
Kasi po, nung nag-start din kami gumawa po nung trilogy namin, naka-plot na
Justin.
siya, pinlat na siya ni Pablo basically na
Genius
pagsimbol,
Pablo, he's
pagtatag
plotted
at
them
simula
all.
at wakas. And meron po siyang, para mas maganda ikaw mag-explain because
So,
The
kaya po
genius pause.
simula at wakas yung
Okay, we are 32 seconds in. He already planned the trilogy before it even happened. Do you understand Pablo's mind? He's a genius. He's already quantum leaping into the fourth dimension. If you know anything about manifesting and the law of assumption, the law of attraction, he already quantum leaped. He knew they would be here. This is so inspiring. Play.
title. Kasi nga, sinimulan namin siya sa question mark, which is yung pagsibol. Tapos yung pagtatag, yung exclamation point
Warning,
na
right?
parang 3 siya. Hindi nawawala yung dot palagi sa ilalim ng symbol. And yung last is yung dot, yung simula at wakas. Kasi niresemble namin siya sa isang puno. So, ang puno, nagsisimula siya sa seed.
Start from a
Tapos lumalaki siya,
seed.
naging pagsibol, pagtatag.
I
Tapos
know
babalik ulit
this.
kasi nagiging prutas siya, tapos magiging seed ulit siya. So, basically, kaya siya naging simula at wakas kasi simula at wakas as seed, simula siya as seed, wakas siya as period ng isang album.
There's something to look forward to sa
Yes
mga
po.
ito, pasabog
Yes
yung
po.
sabay yung pagpapalabas ng music video at ng single ninyo na Dungka at
Pause.
Kanina.
1 minute, 22 seconds. Are they filming this in Manila? Where are they being interviewed? I'm curious. I'm like looking in the background. It's like, do I recognize any buildings? When was in Manila last time? That was like, I think I was like in Manila maybe 8 years ago. few days before flying back home. What does pasigbol mean and pataga? Doesn't that mean warning? I have to watch this on my own. Okay, this is the very first reaction, so I'm trying to read the subtitles, but also the visuals are a lot. Play.
Grabe. Let's talk about Dungka. What is Dungka all about?
Palo,
Kung ayaw mo sa
palo.
bahay ko, edi doon ka. Hindi. Ganun siya kasi. In a way, kasi syempre, marami,
Stay
hindi
out,
naman po
okay.
natin na ano, pero
Syempre.
marami talaga nagsasabi ng negativities about, syempre, our music or us. And that's valid.
Josh, you look
understand
stunning.
them. Pero wag nyo na lang din masyado. Wag na
Read
lang kayo
Christina,
dito.
don't
Wag na
look.
nyo na pakinggan. Doon ka na lang. Parang gano'n lang siya. In a way.
I'm gonna get
to
into
make it short,
Josh's
diba? Parang
solos also. I've got so much to catch up
We have
on.
our own, kumbaga, standards or meron tayong mga sarili-sariling preferences. And kung ayaw mo nito, tumabi ka dyan.
Move out of the
Yes.
way. Just move out of the way. Move.
Yes, in a way. And creative
A
way.
very
diba?
creative way. Yes. I love it in a creative way.
Yung hate ko makalat eh. Once na may
Pause.
nag-start,
At 2 minutes 20 seconds in 18, you've been so helpful. I don't remember which of the 18 commented down on my Dunka reaction video to the MV, or was it to the Dunka live performance on Showtime? It doesn't matter. But when that guy's eating the corn and the crab, I thought that was so smart. Eating the corn, because bashers have been saying their music's corny. And eating the crab was also like, you know, Basher saying that their music is like, you know, not good, something like that. I thought that was genius, genius. So, and I found out through Doki Toki Boy and Abrielle's YouTube channel that someone in the live chat said that guy that's eating all that food there, he's a famous esports player, something like that. So much to learn. This is so fun. Play.
kumbaga kung tumambay ka dyan, tapos na, yun, nag-bash ka, maraming tao na nakikiusyoso, tapos nakikisulsul din. So, mas maganda siguro na instead of, if you don't like something, just go on, wag mo na, don't go out of your way to bash it. Mas ka na lang, just
Pause.
doon ka.
This is nothing new, everyone. This is nothing new. 2 minutes 38 seconds. I say this so I know I stopped. Haven't you heard this? I mean, this is nothing new. If you have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. There is a limit to opinions, but if you don't like something, it's the same thing as saying, do you have enough knowledge and perspective, and skills to put your 2 cents in the topic? If you have nothing nice to say, don't say it. Play.
Na lang, parang ganun.
Kung hindi, kayo rin yung maririndi. Sige. Di ba? Pe-play lang din ang pe-play ng mga, alam mo yun, yung parang, in a way, maganda rin siya pang asar or pang kulit. Pang ano lang,
Just
in a way,
don't-
teasing
just to
way
tease.
lang. Pero, wag naman sana umabot sa mga ano. Pero, at least, di ba, yung may kulit naming personality na nangaasar pa rin kami. Nandun pa rin talaga.
Yung time naman, tungkol saan yung time?
Time. Are you kidding me? It's gonna take a long
Dun
time.
nga po sa line nung song is, one day we'll run out of time. So basically, sinishare lang po namin sa kantang yun yung importance
Time
ng
is our
oras
most
natin.
valuable
It is
asset.
very universal. Lahat makaka-relate kasi isang
Pause.
bagay na
3 minutes and 25 seconds. This is deep. I'm gonna say it though. This is very deep. You and I, we have the same time. Time is ticking. We have the same seconds, minutes, and hours in one day. We got to do the grown-up things, but all those other pockets, you know, all those other pockets. And it's okay to have goals. That's fine. But it's a balance of being excited about something in the future, but also being present. The present is a gift. I don't know who said it the first, but it is, honestly. Disappear in, like in my case, like when my daughter's asleep, I disappear looking at her eyelashes and smelling her hair, you know, or even just watching her when she's playing and trying to be present, you know, because it's a lot of distractions, obviously, you know, like maybe I should do this instead of just, you know, playing even longer with her, but choose those moments, you know. Oh, we're getting deep. I'm going to start crying. Play.
pinaka-importante sa lahat is yung oras.
Oras.
Parang yung kantang po yun, ina-explain niya na let's just cherish every moment.
Cherish every
let's
moment,
make
yes.
important things first para kasi yun nga, hindi naman permanenteng nandito tayo sa mundo. Hindi lahat ng bagay magagawa natin habang buhay. So, hanggat meron tayong oras, gawin natin lahat ng kaya natin gawin. Gawin natin yung magagandang bagay. I-cherish natin yung bawat moment. So, basically, yun lang po yung talagang
Lovely,
mensahe
lovely
nung
said,
time.
Justin.
Ito, kahit sobrang sunod-sunod yung mga pasabog ninyo, gusto kong kumustahin ang preparations ninyo para sa World Tour. Stel, kumusta na ang preparations? Ilang weeks na lang ngayon?
For the world tour, medyo
World
ano ba to?
tour?
Personal o as a group?
Aren't you coming to Sweden?
Kung personal, super excited ako. Sobrang excited ako kasi ako po mahilig po
Sobrang.
talaga ako mag-travel. So parang yung experience na sasakay ng plane and then malayong flight and then pagbaba mo ibang country na. So parang natutuwa ako sa ganun kasi parang somehow ano siya sa akin achievement siya. Parang wow, nakarating na naman ako sa ibang bansa and not only to have a vacation but also to work and to share yung music namin, mag-perform. So parang natutuwa ako sa ganun. Feeling ko may fear pa rin kami.
Live
Syempre,
monsters.
hindi naman mawawala yun. That's the number one feeling of every artist na magpe-perform. Kasi pag di ka nakinabahan, ibig sabihin sobrang kampante mo na nun. Parang mas delikado yun na di ka kakabahan. So kami excited but mas lalong kinakabahan kami.
Nervous, of course.
Kasi nga, unang-una bagong
It's good to be
songs, yung
nervous
EP,
because
and
you
then,
care.
hindi namin alam yung expectations ng tao eh. So parang nandun talaga kami just to do lang yung gusto namin gawin, mag-perform. And kung ano na yung mangyari doon, magkaroon man ng magandang promotion, magkaroon ng magandang opportunity. Siyempre, gagrab namin habang nandun kami. Sana magkaroon. But, ayun, we're very excited to meet our fans. And mas dumami pa sana
English
sila.
and
And makagawa
Tagalog.
kami ng napakaraming promotions para mas makilala pa yung SB19.
Speaking of that, okay, reaction nyo lang na you just made history.
You just made history.
To be honest, hindi naman po kami aware about kung na ganun yung situation. Pero we just stopped overthinking
Yeah, of
and
course.
overcomplicate
5 minutes in, 5 minutes, 52 seconds. How much do we overthink and worry? Completely normal, it's human nature to be prepared because we want to survive. But all those scenarios where we give ourselves so much anxiety before it even happens, it's a balance. It's a hard balance, isn't it? It's a hard balance, like trying not to overthink. A daily battle for me, I have to say. Play.
things. Kasi yun yung nakikita namin for the group and yun yung nakikita namin na parang hinihiling ng mga tao pa eh. So, binigay lang din namin and it's a risky move pero we thought na syempre kailangan namin gawin to para masaya din yung mga alam niyo po yun, yung mga gusto pa talaga makakilala sa SB19 na hindi nakaka-secure lagi ng tickets dahil alam naman natin na pahirapan po talaga kapag meron kami mga ganitong releases na let's say full EP tapos magtutour kami at alam namin na marami pa talaga ang gusto makapanood. So, yun po eh, parang that's more than enough for us na
Humble.
ituloy talaga siya.
To keep going.
Very quick, isa-isa sasagot. Ano ang simula at wakas para sa inyo? From Pablo, last kay Ken.
Oh, he's coughing. That's me now.
Simula at wakas para sa akin, it's, parang nasagot ko na to. Pero it's a choice eh. Kasi, or kami ang makakapagsabi at mga tao sa paligid natin kung kailan mo sisimula at kailan mawawakasan. For me, it's always a choice kasi laging manganganak ang mga pangarap at laging manganganak ang panibagong simula.
Siguro po, for me, yung era namin ng simula at wakas is something that we don't know. Parang we are doing everything as if it's the last. But then we are also excited and hoping for the new chapter na
What is the new
magbubukas.
chapter? What is the new...
Grabe.
Grabe.
Hey, simula at wakas is enjoying the beauty of life. Kung mabigo ka man, may wakas
Pablo,
yan.
you're so wise.
At meron ka pa bagong simula.
Life is beautiful
kung you're
because
happy
it's
right now,
fragile.
May simula
Makes it
yan,
so
may
beautiful.
wakas yan, and definitely it could lead to something better. So, yun po siya. Enjoying life as it is. Talagang nandyan lahat ng emosyon.
Definitely a
And,
roller coaster.
in order for you to really enjoy life, kailangan hindi mo masyadong isipin yung mga bagay na nangyayari and live your life to the fullest.
They're so wise.
Hirap ah. Siguro
hard.
para po sa akin, simula at wakas is acceptance. Aminin man natin sa hindi, nadadating din tayo sa dulo at magwawakas ang lahat. Pero
Oh my
ang
God, I'm gonna
importante
cry.
po doon, isipin na lang natin na sa bawat sinimulan natin at sa bawat winakasan natin, meron tayong markang iniwan at magsisilbing batayan yon hindi ng pagkatao natin o mga mabubuting bagay na nagawa natin, kundi batayan siya ng naging someone tayo na naging mabuting halimbawa
Good example.
at naging ano tawag
Still, you're
doon?
gonna make me
Naging
cry.
kapakipakinabang yung buhay namin habang nabubuhay kami bago namin marating ang wakas. Ayun po.
If we start to do something, we have to end it by ourselves.
Grabe yung mga ano ng mga kasama ko. Akala mo mga ano eh, mga philosopher.
Philosophers, yep.
Sa akin naman po, I think this EP would start to, open doors for us. New heights, especially, we'll be having our world tour pretty soon. And I really believe that this EP is really, really
It
powerful.
is very powerful.
And, madami talaga kaming ma-inspire ng mga
What are they
more,
keeping secret
fans,
here, you know?
supporters, and hopefully, yun nga, gaya na sabi ko, makapag-perform kami sa mga biggest stage na talagang gusto namin mapag-performan, and of course, pakita yung ano namin, diba? And to leave a legacy.
Legacy.
Yun naman yung ano namin yung target namin from the very beginning. And yeah.
Ito, last question. Anyone can answer. What is the new era for SB19 after Simula?
Is it a secret? Is it a secret?
Sige ba?
Josh.
Siguro ano,
He's very good at
related to
interviews.
what
I saw that
said,
on Casual Chuck's
Uh,
story episodes.
hindi natatakot or hindi na kami
Pause. 10 minutes, 40 seconds. We are not afraid anymore. Isn't that fascinating? Everyone watching. You do get tougher, don't you? Look at your life. Look at how you are now. You know, being a teenager in your early 20s to where you are now, it's like you are tougher. You are tougher. You grow, you become wiser and stronger, and you know when to put your foot down and not to take BS anymore. And I love that. And I know they're like reaching their 30s or something, but very inspirational to any 18 out there, any age. It doesn't matter what age they are, but you can hear that they've done their mistakes like all us people do, you know. That's how we learn. Mistakes are lessons. Play.
takot mas mag-try at mas mag-risk. Kasi before, there were a lot of
You fail more than you
uncertainties and,
succeed. That's just how it is.
Parang problems na talaga nakadikit sa amin. Ganun pa rin naman ngayon. Siguro ngayon,
Accepting that
it
you will
felt
fail.
a little lighter. Or
You will
siguro
succeed. Just
nandun
keep
na kami
going.
sa YOLO stage ng buhay namin na gagawin namin lahat, whatever it takes to succeed and to get there. Doesn't matter kung may mga konting wrong decisions, but if we think that it'll work, we know it'll work.
Believe in it. Thank you guys. Thank you po. Salamat po. Okay, we're pausing there. I wonder, I'm so curious. I don't want them to break up. I don't want them to stop being SB19. What is happening after this world tour? I just found them. And your career is over the day it ends, okay? I mean, life is a gift, and just because you become a bit older, are you going to stop doing what you love? Singing, dancing, creating? No. No. You know, who was it now? If you okay, this is a bad example maybe, but if you know anything about Indiana Jones, Harrison Ford, he was a carpenter. And then when he turned 30, he decided to take on acting. And look, he became Indiana Jones. That is so cool. That is so cool. Bruce Willis was also late in the game. And look, his wonderful career. It's really inspiring. I can't think of any womanly celebrities right now, to be honest. I'm thinking of Sylvester Stallone, you know, like, I mean, look at his career, you know, starving and just being the director of like Rocky and, you know, just being so poor and hungry and still got it done. What are you going to do? You know, I'm not saying you can, you know, live carpe diem every day, but I mean, this is all we got, you know, and that's why it's so beautiful. That's why it's so beautiful. I can't wait. Hopefully, I get to live to a healthy age of 80, and I can look back on my life and be like, that was a fun ride. That was a fun ride. A lot of laughter, joy, and memories, but a lot of challenges and emotions and growth. The more you accept that life has a bit of pain in it, it'll be easier, you know? It's a funny thing to explain, but it's good to have a good cry every now and then. It's good to realize that it, you don't know what real love is if you don't know what pain is. You don't know life until you lost someone. I mean, I've had people in my life. I've been to a few funerals already. My dad's not with me anymore, and we're not going to get into that. But I love that SB19 are so not afraid to talk about life and struggles and bashers and believe in what they stand for. They are so inspiring. They are so inspiring. How many people, I mean, you don't like everyone in your life, right? You don't like everyone in your life, and it's like, it's okay. We don't click with everyone. But like Josh said there, or was it Pablo? Like, you know, if you don't like it, you know, don't say anything, you know? Dunka, or you're gonna get a palo. Palo. Okay, thank you for everyone for watching. Comment down below, what did you think of that interview and my eyes annoying me? And I'll see you in the next video. There'll be more reaction videos. I have so many things I want to get up to. Go watch old SB19 videos, get into SB19 solo stuff. And again, if anything is copyrighted, you know where it will be on my Patreon. Take care, everyone. Time is so important, okay? One day at a time, small pockets of windows for you also. Don't forget to love on you also, okay? Because you need to take care of you, okay? Don't cater to everyone else all the time, because then you'll break. You will have nothing left over for you. So until the next video, be you, and peace. Bye.